Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to take the body measurement and how to make a draft for bodice pattern. First, we take the body measurement. Let's get started the video. I'm taking a 5 to 6 years old girl bodice measurement. One thing keep in mind, all measurements should be measured nice and tight, which is not too tight and not too loose. Measure from shoulder bone left to shoulder bone right. This is 10 inches. Now take the bodice length, shoulder to waist. This is 9 inches. Now take the measurement from chest circumference. This is 22 inches. Your waist circumference is 21 inches. Please, one thing keep in mind, waist is parallel with your elbow, not your belly button. The measurement of armhole. Armhole circumference is 10 inches. Neckline circumference is 10 inches. After taking bodice measurement, I will make a draft for basic bodice pattern. For this I need some supplies, a scale, scissors, pan, French curve tool, measuring tape and a white card sheet. Fold your sheet in a half. I am making a front side bodice draft first. I have written all measurement on a notebook. Bodice length 9 to 10 inches, shoulder 10 inches, armhole 10 inches, chest circumference 22 inches, waist circumference 21 inches, neckline width is 2 inches, neckline length is 2.5 inches. Bodice length is 9 to 10 inches. I'm going to start from the bodice length first. This is 9, but I am taking 10. 1 inches for seams allowance. Mark on sheet with the help of pen. Mark 1 point here and 1 point over here. Draw a straight line on these points. My neckline width circumference was 10, so I divide 10 into 4. I got 2.5, but I will take 2. Please don't increase inches in neckline for seams allowance, as you will stitch neckline half or 1 inch would be increased automatically. From the neckline end point, I am taking 4 inches for shoulder slope. Mark over here. Shoulder slope is 0.5 inches. Put that measuring tape on that point and mark on downward 0.5. Draw a line from end of neckline width till shoulder slope point. After that, I am going to take the shoulder measurement. Shoulder to shoulder length is 10. Divide from 2. I got the 5 inches for shoulder. Take the measuring tape and measure the 5 inches for shoulders. From that point, I will mark downwards on shoulder slope. From that shoulder slope point, I will measure armhole. Armhole circumference is 10. So divide 10 from 2, then get the 5 inches for armhole. So take the measurement from shoulder slope downward 5 inches for armhole. Mark over here. Take the chest measurement. Chest measurement start from the neckline starting point till the armhole point. That is 5.5. I did not start the measurement from the shoulder slope side. One thing keep in mind, chest line point and the armhole point should be parallel from each other. Draw a line, straight line. Now draw a line from shoulder slope to armhole, straight. Now take the measurement of chest circumference. Total chest circumference length is 22 inches. So I divide it 22 from 4. Then I get 5.5 inches. But I take 6.5, 1 inches for seams allowance. Now take the measurement of waistline circumference. Total waistline circumference is 21 inches. If you divide 21 from 4, then you can get the 5.25, but I consider it 5.5. 0.5 I take for seams allowance. Now draw a line from the chest circumference to the waistline circumference. Take the measurement of neckline length, that is 2.5. Mark over here. As I told you before, this is the front side bodice, and front side bodice armhole curve is slightly changed than the back side armhole curve. For this, there's a simple formula. Our bodice armhole actual length was 5, so divide 5 from 2, I got 2.5. 2.5. This is a point where I will take a curve. From that point, take 0.5 inches onward. Now take the French curve tool and make a curve for front side and then back side of bodice. Make a curve carefully. Now draw a curved line for a back side armhole. Now this is both side armhole curves, and make a curve of neckline. Take the French tool curve and put it on the neckline width point and neckline length point. Now it is the front side neckline length. Back side of neckline length is 1 inches, so make a curve from the neckline width ending point for that point. This is the complete draft of our basic body pattern. This is a front side bodice draft, but I can make back side of bodice draft with the help of this also. For this I will cut it, first cut it back side armhole and back side neckline. So I am cutting it from this point. This is ready to make the draft of back side. So fold, take a sheet and fold it in a half and put it on that and trace around it. Now cut it carefully with the help of scissors. This is the back side bodice draft. Now I am taking a placket measurement on the center back of our bodice draft. This is 4 inches. Draw a line from this point to this point. Now take the scissors and cut this line from this point to this point. Almost backside bodice draft is ready. Now cut the front side armhole and the neckline. Front side bodice draft is also ready, as well as the back side bodice draft. This is the easiest way to take the body measurement and then draft a basic body pattern as per the body's measurement. If you are practicing on this, then you can never make a mistake when you will cut your fabric. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.